Hi everyone, myself Dilip Krishna. So today I'm going to discuss about the topic economic analysis. What is economic analysis? Economic analysis is the process of deriving economic principles from the relevant economic facts. Mainly we have to focus on two topics: conditions in private sector economy, jobs and incomes. There are mainly three key points. One is demand for land versus supply of land. Second one is basic economic activities versus local serving economic activities. And the third one is multiplier effect. Let us discuss about on that. So first let us discuss about the basics of economic analysis. Economic analysis is a systematic approach to understanding and evaluating economic phenomena, decisions and policies. It involves the use of economic principles, theories and tools to study and make informed judgments about various aspects of the economy. Here are the basic economic analysis. Supply and demand. At the core of economic analysis is the concept of supply and demand. Supply refers to the quantity of a good or service that producers are willing to offer at different price levels, while demand refers to the quantity that consumers are willing to purchase at those prices. The interaction between supply and demand determines market prices and quantities. Second one is opportunity cost. Opportunity cost is the value of the next best alternative that is for one when a choice is made. It is a fundamental concept in economics because it helps in evaluating trade-offs and decision making. Understanding opportunity cost is crucial for efficient resource allocation. And the third one is marginal analysis. Economists often use analysis to assess the incremental changes in costs and benefits associated with small changes in decision variables. For example, marginal cost is the additional cost incurred when producing one more unit of a good, and marginal benefit is the additional benefit received from consuming one more unit. Utility. Utility is a measure of the satisfaction or happiness that individuals derive from consuming goods and services. It is a central concept in consumer theory, and economists use utility to explain consumer choices and preferences. And the fifth one is production and cost analysis. Business and firms analyze production process and cost to optimize their operations. Concepts like production functions, total cost, average cost, and marginal cost help firms make production and pricing decisions. Market structures. Different market structures such as perfect competition, monopolistic competition, and oligopoly impact prices, competition, and efficiency differently. Economic analysis helps evaluate the implications of various market structures. Economic models. Economic models are simplified representations of real-world economic systems. They are used to analyze and predict economic behavior. Models often involve assumptions and simplifications to make complex economic relationships more manageable. Macroeconomic analysis. Macroeconomics focuses on the economy as a whole, including topics like GDP, gross domestic product, inflation, unemployment, fiscal policy, and monetary policy. Macroeconomic analysis helps policymakers understand and manage the overall health of an economy. Microeconomic analysis. Microeconomics examines the behavior of individual consumers, firms, and markets. It explores issues like consumer choice, production decisions, market structures, and pricing strategies. Cost benefit analysis. Cost benefit analysis is a tool used to evaluate the desirability of projects, policies, or investments by comparing their costs and benefits. It helps policymakers and businesses make informed decisions. Economic indicators. Analysts often rely on various economic indicators such as GDP growth rate, unemployment rate, inflation rate, and trade balances to assess the health and performance of an economy. Economic policies. Economic analysis informs the development and evaluation of economic policies, including tax policy, monetary policy, trade policy, and regulatory policies. Tools of economic analysis. There are majorly seven tools of economic analysis. One is economic data, index numbers, nominal and real variables, economic models, models and data, diagrams, lines and equations, theories and evidence. These are all the seven major tools of economic analysis. Tools for economic analysis. The tools used for the analysis purpose exhibit elements and techniques of statistics and essential mathematics for economic analysis. Furthermore, the process involves various tools and is based on many assumptions. Let's look into important tools involved in the analysis. Economic variables. It is the most common tool where variables derive the outcomes of the process, and there are generally four types of variables used: dependent, independent, endogenous, and exogenous variables. The value of these variables gives important information. Examples include GDP, inflation, economic growth, interest rates, etc. Slopes. Slopes and graphs are other analysis tools as they portray the change in dependent variables when there is a change introduced in the independent variables. The slope depicts the change and is drafted based on the shared effect of both dependent and independent variables. Optimization. It is used to make managerial decisions and helps define production levels, output costs, and ways to maximize profits. It is done by studying the change in the dependent variable and considering the records and trends that can be used again to predict future market trends. Linear programming. The applications of linear programming can provide numerical solutions to various business problems. Linear programming or optimization problems applications will help find the best solution from all feasible solutions. The methods of economic analysis are divided into two parts: inductive reasoning and deductive reasoning. In deductive reasoning, the graph goes from top to bottom with increasing manner. Information to pattern, pattern to tentative hypothesis, hypothesis to theory. In inductive, the graph is going to decreasing in order. Theory, hypothesis, observation, and confirmation. Types of economic analysis. Economic. There are seven types: economic impact analysis, benefit benefit cost analysis, environmental impact assessment, fiscal impact analysis, demand analysis, feasibility study, and financial analysis. Economic impact analysis. Economic impact analysis: what is the contribution of tourism activities to the economy of the region? Benefit cost analysis describes the which policy will generate the highest net benefit to society over time. Environmental impact assessment. Here, what are the impacts of an action on the surrounding environment? It describes. The visual impact analysis describes how will government revenues from tourism activity, taxes, direct fees, etc., are covered the added costs for infrastructure and government services. Mm, Fifth one is demand analysis. How will the number or types of tourists change due to changes in prices, promotion, competition, quality, etc. Feasibility study. Here we are going to study about the should this project or policy be undertaken. And last one is financial analysis. Can we make a profit from this activity? Thank you.